all whisked together with an egg and milk in another bowl. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Oh no, it's the rage.
Bless you.
Jesus.
Until the batter is smooth. Set aside. Alright. That's looking clumpy.
Amalgam. Got it.
What are you doing? What shenanigans
You're
happening
being
here?
pranked.
Oh shit. Now we can cook an egg on this. We can cook an egg on this. It's great. I'd like to see you try and flip a pancake.
You know, if we ever live together, if we ever were sisters, I would move stuff around slightly. So you would just be like,
You think that that would annoy me? Now I
No,
know that
no.
that would annoy you.
it wouldn't annoy me.
I would be doing
It
it.
wouldn't annoy me
We'll
because I
probably
do
do
that
it
to
at each
myself.
other, and then it'll just be the same place.
Are you
It's like,
someone?
ha!
Are you someone who normally puts your keys in the same place each time?
No.
Yeah, neither am I. So I like do that to myself anyway. I just think it'd be funny,
In
like
my
kind of
bag?
creepy or something.